Hey everybody, this is Chip with Auto House. I've got another new piece of inventory I wanted to show you guys. It is a 2002 Toyota Camry LE. This is a low mileage, only 52,000 miles on this one. It's a one owner, very well maintained per the Carfax. All the regularly scheduled maintenance was done. It's very nice. Seats are in great shape. Roof's in great shape. You got power seats on the driver's side. Back seats are like brand new. Yokohama tires. Got this one posted at www.Autohouse.US. Give me a call at 678-384-1862. Come by and check this one out. Camry with only 52,000 miles, one owner. Talk to you guys soon.